If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today's challenge is to improve or to set a new personal best record for your tear up and set down. No, set up and tear down. That's much better. Break your record from what you first recorded of what your first setup and tear down was and get better at it. Make it faster. Don't put yourself or your equipment at risk, but make sure it's faster. Make sure it's more efficient. And if you need to, even plan for what your setup looks like, what it ends up, your lights are in one common place, or if you don't have lights, what your reflectors are going to look like, where they're placed, how to use them, your camera setup. Once you've timed your setup, then make sure everything is in place and secure, then time your teardown. Thank you so much. God bless.